In this video, I want to explain how to start affiliate marketing the right way and tell you about my free affiliate marketing training ebook that can help both beginner and experienced marketers have more success faster. If you are looking for a proven way to have massive success in affiliate marketing, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I know of no better way everyday people can create both time and money freedom, even with no previous experience, than affiliate marketing. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And in case you are just starting to look for a side hustle, let me quickly explain just what affiliate marketing is all about and why I love it. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. It's really simple. Almost anyone can do it with the right approach. Part of what makes it so simple is that you do not need to have your own product to market. There are affiliate opportunities for almost everything. And challenges like delivery and customer service are taken care of for you. Affiliate marketing is all done online. It's mostly automated and can be done in just a few hours per week. If you are already busy with a career, raising a family, or maybe other time constraints, and you're looking for a side hustle to make more money, affiliate marketing can be ideal. It's one business you can really do around everything else in life whenever you want, from wherever you happen to be. You can even do it while you're sitting on the beach, staying at home watching a movie. I do it while I'm sailing in the summer and skiing in the winter. And with the right system, you can really leverage your time and make a terrific income. With some, you can also build passive, recurring income too. And that's money that keeps coming in month after month from the sales you make today. And I know you'll really like that. But unfortunately, too many people do not have the success that they were hoping for in affiliate marketing. Some fail big time. And frequently, it's because they did not get started the right way. Well, I don't want you to be one of them. So, to start affiliate marketing the right way, download a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. Yes, it really is free. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success just by copying what works. You will find it direct and to the point and easy to follow. I share everything that has helped me have massive success in affiliate marketing. I explain in detail how you can create both time and money freedom in affiliate marketing in just minutes per day, even if you've never done anything like this before. And in addition to sharing how to get started in affiliate marketing the right way, the free ebook also details things like the big problem in affiliate marketing industry that nobody tells you about, and more importantly, the solution. The real key to your success, and trust me, most people miss this one. I reveal the big hurdle every affiliate marketer must overcome and how to do it, and I teach you about branding and promoting you and building your list the right way. Follow what I share in the free ebook, and affiliate marketing can be one of the simplest things you have ever done. I'll show you how to make money in your first 24 hours. Many people do. So grab your copy of the free ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. To get your ebook, go to my website at affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Again, that's affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Then all you have to do is copy what's in the ebook. Grab your ebook now. We'll talk soon.